Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I'm having trouble getting sleep, so this is the part 2 of the George Foreman grow cleaning. I've already started on it. And this stuff, the soy sauce or teriyaki sauce, must really splatter on that little thing, because sections here are going to be really hard to get to. And so I'm just doing the best I can and wait till I get some easy off and soak this in the bathtub. But well, I see there is a way if you wanted to take all the screws off and remove all this. Or you could just have the plate. You can put a garden hose in or something and scrub it. But there's all the soap pad residue, not SOS. These are Walmart soap pads. Missed a few spots here. The water is really hot. So I don't know what the solution is, because the grease comes down this little hole, this relatively little hole, and then flows in that little tray. And where the bracket is here for that. So that's what it is. That's what it's about here. I will just rinse this off. This little section here. All these spouts of grease. This seems a little bad. This is another area. I've been up all night. I haven't even slept yet. So, won't be going out with Kathy today. She has to go in the chief office today by herself. The deadline is Monday. I can go in Tuesday. And Tuesday, my caregiver will take me and coffee up to Kathy's. Hopefully, coffee won't freak out about being indoors. Alright, here's the other side that I was scrubbing in the first video. You can see, except for one, is that just light now? I can't tell. There's one little spot here of grease. I think I will definitely line this with aluminum foil before I use it. And that's the end of that soap pad. So, anyway, this is pretty clean. Underneath, it's also pretty clean. See the handle. there's a spot I couldn't see. That's easy enough to get to. It's a little different than what it was. So that's it for my cleaning my George Foreman grill. I'm going to take the side piece here. See like this. I am not a professional grill cleaner. Do the best I can with one hand. Alright. Get the sponge out. Still greasy. That's it. That's all I'm going to do anyway. And this is about as clean as it's going to get. So there it is, the George Foreman giant grill. And I will run over. Oh, there's more soap still in there. God, mood's distressing. Okay. Ooh. This soap kicks and screams because it's ready to go. Alright. That should be it. Let that drip down there. Stay up, I don't know. Yeah, that'll work. And I'll go over this with a damp towel later and get any spots I might have missed that I can't see readily. So there's your George Foreman grill. Clean the stand later after I've had some sleep, and then start on the floor. Sweep the floor and re-clean the counter. I had to move everything when something fell down. Well, I found this last night. This was soaked. Very dusty. It holds pens and papers and paper clips and rubber bands, and I'm going to clean that up. And I got cats. Perfect lid, still sealed. Someone left it. Pink salmon. Cats love salmon. 5 ounces, so kitties will get salmon today. Alright, that's it. I'm done. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day and stay warm or dry or cool, wherever you are, and stay safe out there as I try to go back to sleep. And I will talk to you guys later whenever I decide to do another video. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.